You automated your strategy, but it only trades when your laptop is open? Bro, that's useless. It's like having a 24-hour chef who only cooks when you're in the kitchen. It doesn't make sense. So let's get this straight. You spent hours crafting the perfect pine script strategy. You backtested it. You optimized it. But then it doesn't open trades at 3 a.m. or during that juicy CPI candle. Why? Well, because your computer was asleep. And so was your Wi-Fi. And so, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can mitigate this risk and actually get 24/7 trading straight from TradingView. So, let's jump right into it. What's the actual solution I'm proposing here? Well, stay in your chairs. It's a simple 3-letter word, VPS. A virtual private server. That's right. A mini supercomputer that's hosted on the cloud. It's not on your computer, which means that this little server never sleeps. So you can actually trade from it 24/7. And right now we're going to get into it. I'm going to show you exactly the simple steps you have to follow to get this done. And even if you're not an expert and you're kind of scared right now, you may be shaking, oh shit, a VPS. I don't know what the fuck that is. Well, stay calm. I'm going to get this done with you, and we're going to get you trading 24/7 because the market never sleeps. Maybe 24/5. Just want to make sure you guys are with me here. This is not going to be free, so you're going to have to pay a little bit of money. It's a small amount. And yeah, so first step, what we actually need to do is you want to go down in the description. I placed the link. Yes, it's affiliate link. I have to eat somehow, okay? I'm already dying of thirst. It's going to redirect you to a VPS provider, right? So make sure you check that out and you can get started for just $8. Check it out. You can get started for cheap. Now, once you click the link, you're gonna end up on a page like this, okay? So just try it now, create your account, and then in your emails, you're gonna have to go in your emails. I know, old school. Go in your emails, and then you're gonna see a ton of emails from the VPS provider. And then one of the emails is gonna contain your reverse desktop protocol connection. So this is a exe file that you're gonna have to download inside of your computer, and this exe will connect to the server computer. In my case here, this email contains the password, which I'm gonna hide, hopefully. You have the IP, and you can also download the RDP. Okay, so you just click this link here, and you're gonna have it's gonna download on your computer. You can now open it. So you have here all your credentials. Okay, so then your RDP, which you just downloaded, just hit connect. And then if it's your first time connecting, it's going to ask you for the username and password, or maybe just the password, it depends. But you're just going to input the password the provider gave you, and you're going to be connected and land on this page, which is very familiar because it's a Windows desktop. Now that we're here, when you first use it, you're not going to have MetaTrader 5 or any other software. So simply all you have to do is just go on the internet and download it like you would normally. So I'm gonna show you real quick here. So just like a Windows machine, okay? There's nothing special. And you're gonna notice it's kind of lagging, especially because mine is in Singapore and I'm in Canada. So there's a pretty big lag here. But anyways, just go on whatever broker you're using. In my case, you could use Switch Markets. Okay, this one is a good one. Just go download your MetaTrader 5, and then the next step is also to download your PineTrader connector, and you want to download it directly on this VPS, okay? So go to your account, go to connectors. By this point, you should already know how to do this, but I'm still just gonna go through it. Make sure you have the latest version, 1.3.1 as of now, okay? Download it, all good. We're ready to set it up just like we would normally with the normal MetaTrader 5 on our normal desktop. Here we're gonna open a MetaTrader 5, the platform we all know and love, our beautiful terminal. As you can see, blank, nothing on it. So go here, files, open data folders, and MQL5. Go to experts, drag and drop the MT5 connector version 1.3.1 or the latest one you just downloaded. Download it into this file here, so the expert files, okay? Make sure you put it in this file. Once you did that, just close the window, the file, refresh here, bing bang bada boom, just like that. and then you're gonna see your connector on the MT5. Okay, pretty easy up till here, and now the fun part starts. So select a chart, and you want, in this case, we're gonna be using gold XEU, and we're just gonna put it on 1 minute. Oof, it's pumping here right now. See here, it's got a bull flag and it's pumping. So I'm just gonna drag and drop my connector on the chart. Now here, comment, make sure algo trading is enabled, because sometimes it can be unchecked, and then you're wondering, why is it not taking trades? Well, dog, you have to allow algorithmic trading, right? Because that's, I mean, we're quants. What do you want? All right, and then inside of inputs, make sure you put your license, set it up as you please, all the settings. I'm gonna refer you to documentation, which is located on docs.pinetrader.io. Check that out. And now you're gonna notice here in the experts tab, give it a couple of seconds, because with the latency from here to there, our license is valid, our connection is okay, and we're successfully connected with the license 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now we're ready to take the trades. Now, if for some reason it doesn't connect, make sure you check the following settings. Very, very, very important. Up on your MetaTrader 5 terminal, go to Tools. Down here, you're gonna see Options. Click on it. Go to Expert Advisor, the second tab here. Click Allow Algorithmic Trading. Click it, check. And then go down, down, down. Allow DLL imports. Check. Next, allow web request for listed URLs. Check. And inside the box here, you're gonna have to put 2 URLs. First off, pinetrader.io right here, and the other one is mqtt.pinetrader.io. Simple as that. Once you did that, you can hit OK, and now you can try and re-drag and drop your connector, and it should work fine. Finally, last thing I want to make sure you guys check out is the actual algo trading button right here. Make sure it's green and not red. Check for the blue hat. If the hat is blue, you're good to go, you're rolling. Now, all you have to do is go inside of your TradingView and set up the webhook signals. And that's it. You're in business. You're a quant. You're trading 24/7 if you're trading cryptos, and 24/5 if you're trading anything else. So, yeah. All right, so real quick, I just want to thank you for watching. Make sure you give a subscribe. And if you like the video and want to see more, just hit like and comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So, see ya.